Hey everybody, this is Chintua, your happiness specialist. In today's video, I'm going to answer for you the age-old question about what is the best money-making system out there? What is the best money-making system out there? Here's what I want you to do. Stay to the end of this video. I'm going to give you the answer at the very end. The answer might surprise you. But I want to quickly share with you my own personal journey and story about money-making opportunities. I've been online for approximately 10-15 years now, and in all those years, I went from one business opportunity to another, one fast income opportunity to another, one great opportunity to another, basically going from one shiny object to another. And along the way, I was learning a lot of things. I was learning what didn't work. I was learning what was working. But there was one thing that I was missing. I was missing the one common denominator. The fact that, when you join an opportunity, when you join something, you actually have to get involved. You have to immerse yourself in that opportunity. You have to totally sell out to that opportunity, and to this way you get to find out whether or not it is really for you, because not everything is for everybody, right? So that's been my journey, and it wasn't until recently, just about 8-9 months ago, when a friend of mine introduced me to an amazing opportunity where I saw something that I had never seen before. This was a blueprint that nobody had ever shown me before. In all the years I was doing something, I was doing one thing or other, nobody actually, showed me that yours truly could generate income from home. I don't really care about what everybody else was doing, because I was watching a lot of people, achieve massive success. But I kept asking myself, how come they're doing it and I am not? Not that I was jealous of them, not that I was envious. A lot of them were my friends, and I was very happy for them. But here's what happened. I never quit. I never one day entertained the idea of giving up or quitting. So back to, this amazing blueprint that a friend of mine introduced to me just about 9 months ago, right? Like I said, no one had ever taught me or shown me what I saw in there. The fact that when you get involved, no matter what level you get involved, you get your own personal success coach. That's something I had never experienced before. If you wanted a coach with any other system, you'd be shelling out hundreds, if not thousands of dollars to just make that happen. But in this one system, this blueprint that finally changed everything for me, no matter where you come on, whether you come at dollar trial or whatever level you come in, you get your own personal success coach, someone that would, walk you through, help you, basically hold your hands, really, in the beginning, kind of help you look inside of yourself to figure out what it is that you want to do, right? Help you expand whatever your vision is. And then along the way, they'll follow up with you to see where you are. And in the meantime, you go through this thing called the Profit Boosting Boot Camp, right? It is the Profit Boosting Boot Camp is something I had never seen before. It is an education. I call it the Harvard of marketing, really, because this is within this Profit Boosting Boot Camp is where you will learn everything that you are required to make whatever business you attempt to do or that you get involved in a resounding success. Now, that's if that's what you want. All right, so when I saw this, I was saying to myself, where have you been all my life? And I dove right in, and here's what's happened since then. In the 9 months that I've been involved, right, I personally have had multiple $1,000 days, myself, and I had never experienced that before. I never had that in any other system. And I'm not saying that you will do the same thing if you get involved. I'm not guaranteeing that, right? But at least you'll get you get to discover why you didn't make any money in the past, just like I did. Even if you're a brand new person, even if you're a grizzled veteran, right? you will learn some things within this boot camp that no one had ever taught you before. And this system, this blueprint changed everything for me. So that's why I'm sharing that with you. That's why I'm sharing that story with you. No matter what your history has been, no matter what your story has been, right? If you decide to explore this blueprint, this system that I'm sharing with you, right, you will change your story if that's what you want, right? There are no guarantees. Of course, there are no guarantees in life. If anybody guarantees you success, they're lying to you, and you should just run in the opposite direction, right? But you will give yourself a fighting chance if you decide to take a look at this system. So here's what I want you to do. Click on the link below this video, and you'll get more information. It may or may not be for you, but give yourself the fighting chance. At least bet on you for once, for your own success. So I promise I will give you the answer to the question, what is the best money-making system out there? Do you know what it is? Right? Sometimes we look outside of ourselves for the answers that we already have within. The best money-making system is not out there. The best money-making system is within you. You are the best money-making system out there, right? Because you are the common denominator. It doesn't matter what system that you get involved in. It could very well be the one I just shared with you here, right? With my own short story, right? If you don't get personally invested in it, if you don't immerse yourself in it, you will not succeed at it. So the best money-making system out there is you. And it's not out there, it is within. All right, so I told you it might surprise you, or that you might even know the answer. All right, so that's my video, that I wanted to share with you today. So what I want you to do is click on the link below the description of this video and check out the system that I just talked about. It may or may not be for you, but you will learn something not only about yourself, but about the reason why you hadn't made money in the past. All right, so I'll speak to you soon. Until the next video, this is Chintua, your happiness specialist. Take care. Bye for now.